Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to see your trending on Twitter on your phone. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you guys want to head over to your Twitter application and open that up. And then all you have to do is find the magnifying glass at the bottom of your screen, click on the magnifying glass, and at the very top where you see it has highlighted for you, you just want to look down to the right and you'll see trending and click on that. And then here's all the trending posts that are around you right now. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.